I've climbed through doubt, I've faced the cold. The summit whispers, brave and bold. Each step I take, I build my name. Through patience calm, through steady flame. I rise, I lead, I claim the sky. No dream too far, no peak too high. With hands of strength I shape my fate. The climb begins, it's never late. It's never It's never late. The weight of plans upon my back becomes the path that keeps on track. Discipline guides what I create. Success is built, not left to fade. Through every fall I learn to stand. I hold my power in my hands. The world rewards the ones who stay and build their dreams. The mountain way. I rise, I lead, I claim the sky. No dream too far, no peak too high. With hands of strength I shape my fate. The climb begins, it's never It's never It's never late.